Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Stable Diffusion running on Windows 10. I've already got it installed, and I'm using George Legato. Thank you, George. Legato's text to Vectorgraphics. It is installed, and you can see it's generating PNGs. Here's another PNG. However, when I try and save, I'm not finding SVG, even though I had set the output format to SVG. And when I try, for example, to save some of these, for example, that one works. But this one here, which I don't know what format that is, I'm guessing it doesn't tell me what the file format is. So I don't know what format this file is. It doesn't, actually that would be very nice for maybe a future version of the application, is that it shows the file type. And when I click save though, you see I get an error. And when I go to inspect, what do we get? So I've got a lot of errors. Uncut in promise. Let's see what else we have here. Deprecated feature used. What does the console say? So we have an uncut in promise API error. And we have a 500. Okay, 700 predict 1. I'm not quite sure what oh, look at that. Okay, so we've got quite a few API errors. Message install was not in US, la 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 la. These all look like translation problems. We got some icons that it doesn't like, more icons that it doesn't like. We have an unexpected string. But here's where we get API errors. So I don't know if this script includes some sort of debugging tool. And interesting, the .txt file is not showing up, but I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to be seeing here. Text and all right, so let's go ahead and run it one more time, and we'll use you can see man smiling. This doesn't look like any man I've ever seen, unless it's a talking TV head. All right, so let's go with Happy Einstein, and we'll make sure that we have activated. I'm going to turn off transparent PNG. Oh, I'll make sure it's SVG. And let's take a look. Did he specify? No. No specification on whether it was a cartoon or not. I'll go with illustration. I'm not sure that's going to change anything. And batch count 1, batch size 1, which was interesting because when I ran this last time, I had batch of 4, like the description here, batch count 4, batch size 1, but I got multiple files. Don't know why. Here we go. Let's try it again. And generate. Now this is going to take a long time, 2 minutes at least. So I'm going to pause. Okay, 2 minutes later, I've got some happy Einsteins here. I can't tell what file format they are, and that's a crazy Einstein there. If I click on it, it doesn't tell me what file type it is. If I open in a new tab, it gives me the full. Yeah, it's a PNG. Let's see if there's an SVG in here. All right, now let's just see if I can save it, actually. So I click on Save and Download. That's a PNG. I click on this one, Save. Okay, so there's the error. Why on those files? I don't know what this file is. Let's say open in new tab. What do we got? Inspect. What do we got? What do we got? This is a PNG. So that's not quite what we're after. I'm going to close that. But I can't save it either. Let's try this one. Save. I've got 2 errors. And whatever this thing is, save. I got 2 errors. All right. So interestingly, it looks like I can only save this one. Very strange. So the other 3 don't work to save, and I can't tell which ones are SVGs, which is a major bummer, because that's the whole point of this exercise, was to get SVGs. All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.